Lambo 2 and I'm spinning. Sunday she calling me baby. You don't need no menu. Good gas got him fatty. Will it be me got him dreaming. All black got me treading. Red cool, red feather. Break the law, don't bend it. Save money, don't spend it. Do the shit, don't think about it. Boy, your diamonds looking hella cloudy. Count a million.
Man, that motherfucker so loud, bro. I bought me a 88 Cutlass. Bought it from my stepdad. He had it for a while. I've been convincing him like 5 years to sell it to me. And finally sold it to me. He was breaking down the original 307 that had in it. The lifters went out and he got tired of dealing with it. So sold it to me. Got an 88 Cutlass. The body is in great condition. No motor, of course. Still has the 700R transmission in it. And I bought what you guys see here in a few, I bought a Olds 350 Rocket, came out of a 1972 Cutlass. And I'm preparing it to go to the shop. I'm gonna drop the motor in, get it running, and we're gonna take it from there, because you know how that goes. It never goes perfect, but we're gonna keep our fingers crossed. So this is some of the old 307 stuff that was in it. My stepdad already brought like a lot of chrome parts for it, like alternator, carburetor, filter, valve covers. So I'm gonna let y'all know how much it actually costs, because everybody does it, but nobody gives you like a price on what it costs. The motor, I paid $350. The shop I'm taking it to, they're gonna drop the motor in for roughly $1,200 if it goes perfect. So for anybody who's wondering what I'm doing, I'm actually separating because I got 2 motors now. So I'm separating the old parts I don't need no more with the good parts. I'm putting that to the side like this, like the old heads, and radiator, oil pan, and this is the good stuff, like the radiator, distributor, bunch of gaskets and belts, just chrome valve covers, filter, carburetor. It's nice to get a carburetor. Yes, sir. And oh shit. So I do got headers. I've been online looking for headers, and I got headers the whole time. NA chrome. NA chrome. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So yeah, this is what the engine bay looks like. Just got the bottom end of the motor. That's the chrome alternator I was talking about. I don't know if it's a name brand or not. It's cool though. Look good. Drop that 350 in. Make sure it's running and spitting and choking. Pause. Alright, look, so today is the day. About to go drop that thing off at the shop. I'm excited, bro. I barely got sleep. I ain't even gonna hold you. I was too excited. And we just got a new dog, so which I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all Louis. We just got a new French bulldog. But today is the day, bro. I'm about to go over to my pop-out crib. We're about to pick up the Cutlass and the motor. We're gonna take it down to Crossroads Speed Equipment down in Peachland, North Carolina. I'll give them a little free shout out, whatever. And we're gonna drop it off. Hopefully it don't take too long, cause I'm excited, bro. I'm ready. I'm ready to drive this. I'm ready to do some burnouts or something, boy. You feel me? So yeah, it's gonna be an exciting day. So here we go. Here's the motor. Thing clean, man. Especially what I paid for it. 350 Oldsmobile 350 Rocket. That's my pawpaw. That's my stepdad. You seen me get out. Man. Said the beat made it flare up.
Have to. I don't know nothing else. You know what? 1-843-657-2.
Fine order.
Yep, right here on intake.
Oh, yeah.
Do it by heart.
Play out with my boy Corey, got his own towing business. Motor loaded. Let's go and get this car loaded. We're gonna hit the road, dog. Cheese! Alright, finally got that thing loaded, man. You got a name for your towing company yet?
Oh, Better Than Go Transport.
Better Than Go?
Yeah, better than gold.
Better than gold transport. Shout out my boy Corey.
I do.
Look out for you, get your good numbers. Tow anything from a boat, RVs, cars, motorcycles, bicycles. You see what he got, man. Motors.
I do anything.
That's my dog. I'll plug him. Good, I got to turn him a little bit. Well, got the car unloaded. Gotta drop this motor off. Shit. See y'all next time when she ready. Next time y'all see it, she will be ready to go running. You dig? Here at Crossroads Speed Equipment down here in Peace. Yes, sir. There she go. Yes, she blows. All right, girl. Be back.